we are showing you the numbers in the state of Maryland. So we're going to focus on the 80s, which is 82 degrees, partly sunny. And as you can see here, today in Maryland, it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit, partly sunny. Same thing in the 80s in the state of Maryland on the left stuff on the numbers. So air quality index with the yellow stuff around 53, serenity, lightly polluted air. Feels like 77 degrees, wind 4 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile barometer, more than 30-inch. So right now it's 30.01 inch. We're gonna go over to the Doppler Radar, which is the radar opposition. So in the state of Maryland, as you can see here, there won't be no rain because of partly sunny around the 70s, but we're gonna focus on the 80s, which is 82 degrees, mostly sunny. So speaking of which, New York City, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and so much more, there will be rain. So the direction of the rain is going through, which is on the northeast side and on the eastbound side, pushing through. And it's pushing through, approaching towards Massachusetts and approaching towards Boston. The precipitation, the 0.01 in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. So the precipitation is almost approaching towards Maryland, almost getting towards the Garrett County in Maryland if you live in this state of Maryland, which is Garrett County. So as you can see here in the state of Maryland of precipitation, it's pushing through the Washington County on the I-70 corridor on the highway, the interstate I-70, pushing through the precipitation of the 0.01. So the direction of the precipitation is moving towards the northeast side, northbound side, and it's going to be on the eastbound side. So I want you to watch here. So precipitation is approaching towards Virginia, pushing towards North Carolina. And even the precipitation is clearing up in Kentucky and Tennessee. So they'll get rid of it and it's going to be gone sooner than later. The rest of these East Coast. So Pennsylvania is showing the 0.01 and New York City is showing the 0.01. New Hampshire, Connecticut, New York City, Rhode Island, and even Boston showing the exact precipitation of the green stuff and on the yellow stuff. Satellite is in the state of Maryland on the white stuff. We're definitely going to get to the Maryland in just a moment where you live, but first we're going to focus on the other names of the United States. So the satellite on the white stuff showing in Detroit, Chicago, Michigan, Illinois, Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. We're going to stick with the Delaware in just a moment too as well. But first we're going to stick with the different United States names. So, mostly where you live in the United States, the entire United States, of the East Coast, the South, Mountain State, West Coast, Midwest, is showing the white stuff on the satellite. So the satellite is moving on the circle stuff. So it's like going circles on the wheel. So the circles of the satellite, it's going to be moving around the southbound, the eastbound, the westbound, and on the northbound side, and including the southwest, southeast, northwest, and even northeast side. Now to Maryland. Maryland is showing around the satellite of the white stuff, and even in Delaware showing exactly the same thing. Everywhere in the United States, there will definitely going to be clouds. But still, it's going to be around the partly sunny around the 80s and even around the 70s. So like I said, 80s, we'll focus on that. So, in the state of Maryland and the state of Delaware where you live, showing there definitely will be clouds. Clouds are going to be moving and pushing on the eastbound side. The rest of the United States, as you can see here, you'll see there'll be Illinois, Annapolis, Detroit, Chicago, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, Washington, North Carolina, South Carolina, and so on and so forth, you guys. There will definitely going to be clouds. There will be everywhere in the United States. There will definitely going to be clouds. If you look outside, there will be clouds, but still partly sunny. Now moving on to the temperatures. Temperatures in the state of Maryland though will be on the orange side around 85, but the 70s around the yellow. So it's turning from orange, yellow, and even towards the green around the 50s. So around the hourly for today and tomorrow, temperatures are going to be mostly going to be on the 70s today, and then tomorrow it will be definitely going to be on the 70s or so. Okay, we'll definitely going to get some forecasts at the end, but first we're going to stick with the temperature first. So 70 degrees around the yellow stuff around the Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, and even Virginia. And same thing around same states around are going to be around the 50s on the green stuff, and temperatures are showing the dark green around the 30s. So look at these numbers. So some are mostly in the state of Maryland. They will definitely going to be on the 70s. And look at this, you guys. There will be haze around the 70s. We're going to get to haze in just a moment, but first we're going to stick with the usual around the sunny, partly sunny, and so on and so forth. So we're going to start off with Bel Air showing 76, Bell Camp showing 75, 78 degrees in Capenville, Chesapeake City showing 73, Chestertown 78, Churchville 76, Columbia 79, Conowingo 76, Darlington 74, Dundalk. Well, we're gonna get to that. We're gonna stick with that haze in just a moment. So Edgewood showing 76, Elbridge 79, Elton 74, Ellicott City 80. Falston showing 76, 79 degrees in Frederick, 77 degrees in Glen Burnie, 75 degrees in Hagerstown, 79 degrees in Haldor, 73 degrees in Haverty Grace, Jarrettville showing 78 degrees, Jessup showing 76, Jobbertown 77, Kingville 76, Laura 79, Middle River 75, Nottingham, Middle River and Nottingham showing the haze. So Ocean City around 75, Owens Mills 79, Perryville 72, Pikeville 79, Queenstown 76, Randallstown and Reisterstown showing 79 and 78 around sunny, Rising Sun 76, Riverside showing 75, Savage 80, Whiteford 78, Joppa 76, Northeast 76, Aberdeen and Aberdeen Proving Ground showing the sunny around 75 degrees, Annapolis and Abingdon showing 77. Now to the haze where you live. So we're definitely going to be on around the haze around the 70s in Dundalk, Essex, Middle River, Nottingham, Prairie Hall, Rosedale, Towson, and White Marsh. So we're on the October forecast around the historical weather. So average high 69 degrees, record high showing 94 degrees, 2019. Record low showing 28 degrees, 1992. Average low showing 48. Average rainfall showing 4.3 inch. So with the day details, expect partly sunny skies, the high will be 82. Night, the sky will be partly cloudy, the low will be 66. So sunrise around 7:04 a.m., sunset 6:46 p.m. The precipitation showing 34%, humidity 55%, UV index 5 Monterey, max wind 9 miles per hour. As you can see here, we're gonna get to that, but first we're gonna do the last one. So temperature around the record high showing 86 degrees, average high showing 74 degrees, record low showing 36 degrees, 2003, and average low 54 degrees. So, now here's the rest of the forecast. But today it's going to be around 82 degrees. Tomorrow's going to be on the 70s around Monday. So, rain showers. So, Tuesday it's going to be around the same thing around just like tomorrow, around light rain. But Wednesday is going to be exactly the same thing around 72. Thursday is going to be 76 degrees, partly sunny. Friday is going to be 75 degrees, partly sunny. Saturday is going to be 73 degrees, rain showers. Sunday is going to be 75 degrees, light rain. Monday and Tuesday it's going to be mostly cloudy and mostly sunny.